Is the era of coding jobs coming to an end? The rise of AI might be more disruptive than you think. A recent article from MIT Sloan School of Management reveals that for every new robot added per 1,000 workers, wages drop by 0.42% and 6 jobs disappear. Can AI truly replace all coders? I don't think so, but let's understand why. Right now, top experts in the coding industry believe that integrating AI into your work can actually save your job from being replaced. You might be thinking, I've heard this before in many videos, but in this video, I will share all the steps, tools, and methods that top industry professionals use to set themselves apart from the crowd. By the end of this video, you'll discover how these experts are securing their positions and even some of their secret methods. So, it's crucial to watch this video till the end. Stay tuned for the secret methods to secure your future in the coding industry. After extensive research and conversations with top industry experts, I have discovered the secrets that the best programmers use to stay ahead of the curve. These secrets are divided into 2 parts, and the second part holds the key to unlocking your true potential. The first secret is AI-powered tools that make your work incredibly efficient. You might have heard of some of these tools, but understanding and mastering all of them can make you even more powerful. The first tool is GitHub Copilot. It provides real-time code suggestions, auto-completing lines, and blocks of code based on context. Although it's a paid tool, investing in it can yield long-term benefits. With Copilot's individual plan, you can significantly boost your efficiency. Next, we have Amazon Code Whisperer. This tool offers real-time code suggestions within the IDE based on existing code and comments. It also scans for vulnerabilities, ensuring more secure code output. This combination of features makes it indispensable for serious coders. Finally, there's OpenAI Codex. You might be familiar with OpenAI, but Codex is a game changer. It converts natural language into code, making complex tasks simpler and faster to accomplish. Imagine describing a function in plain English and seeing it turned into executable code instantly. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the second secret. But this secret is reserved for those who are truly eager to advance in their careers. If you really want to know this powerful secret, you need to comment "second secret." I will share this secret with you in the comments, along with any new research findings on this topic. So what are you waiting for? Comment now and unlock the secrets that top programmers use to leverage AI and stay ahead.